ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಂತೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಯಾರು ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಮಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನನ್ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಮಾಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿ
Bye later. So guys, I really don't want to be like this. So when I am talking, I want some.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है संडे, तारीख है 8 तारीख एंड हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक इवेंट पे। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बी अ राइड। टुडे इज़ एन इवेंट दैट वी आर अटेंडिंग एज पार्ट ऑफ ARC एंड द इवेंट इज़ बीइंग स्पॉन्सर्ड। द इवेंट है बेसिकली XBHP का, so it's a famous riding community as you guys know it. So I mean it has been XBHP has been in the riding scene since very long, मतलब 2004-2005 से हैं वो लोग। So they are doing a road trip united and as part of Karnataka I mean they're doing a entire road trip all over India. They're going to all the states and as part of Karnataka they are coming to Bengaluru. Now we are going to Mekokatopia. So what it is a go-kart track but it's pretty big and it's outside city. So इसलिए यहाँ पे वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा जगह है, तो it is very I mean it is an ideal place for an event like this with so many bikers coming in, because there will be many groups who will come in as well as there will be many individuals who will come in. Our meeting point was थोड़ा आगे, केयरपुरम से थोड़ा आगे. It was a petrol bunker of Indian Oil. So वहाँ पे we met up. There was a short briefing, not long, and then we have left already and we are on our way. It's around 11 kilometers from here, not very far. So देखते हैं क्या होता है यहाँ पे. हाँ जी, so I think we are near the venue. Yeah, we are in the venue. That's Mekokatopia. I think there will be a little bit of off-roading here as well. Let's see.
So they'll be removing the trucks and.
Oh, then only we
Get it registered.
Oh, okay. Acha, we have to register first there and then get in. Okay. तो अभी हम इवेंट के वेन्यू में पहुंच गए हैं. तो यहाँ पे दर्स रेस ट्रैक ऑल्सो, गो का ट्रैक है एंड बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ ऑलरेडी आ चुकी हैं. तो ये वेन्यू है, यहाँ पे सारी अपनी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं. देयर आर स्कूटर्स ऑल्सो एंड यहाँ पे गो का ट्रैक है एंड आई स्टैंडिंग देयर ओनली. तो देख सकते हो द ट्रैक इज़ प्रीटी बिग. That's the Red Bull vehicle also, the Mini Cooper, pretty famous. इसके अलावा there are stores of different companies. There is a FlashX store, there's a Volvo store, there's an Ultraviolet store as well. And यहाँ पे stage area है and यहाँ पे TVS का store भी है. और एंगल चेंज करके दिखाते हैं. So here's the TVS store. They have their bikes on display here. RR 310, the Apache 310 RR. All the bikes are here. That's the DJ there. And वहाँ पे है Ultraviolet का store. So Ultraviolet and there's a Triumph also and there's a Volvo XC40 also. So there's a Race Moto store also. So we got a goodies bag from Race Moto as well. तो लोग तो बहुत सारे आ गए हैं अभी. Let's see आगे इवेंट में क्या होता है.
Happen today. I need more excitement. Are you all ready to see what's happening today? Yes, that's the spirit. That's the energy I expect throughout the event. We've got a lot of fun activities planned today.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಗ ಕಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿಪ್ ಹಾಪ್ ನಮ್ಮೇ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಮಾಮ್ ಡಿಜೆ ಸ್ಪೇಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಂತೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಯಾರು ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಮಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನನ್ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಮಾಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿ.
Now just throttle. Use the reverse.
Okay. So while reversing the blinkers come out automatically, yeah?
Just to
Okay.
notice. So while reversing the blinkers come up automatically. Yeah, it's just to.
ओके तो हम टेस्ट राइड ले रहे हैं अल्ट्रा वायलेट F77, द मोस्ट फेमस EV स्पोर्ट बाइक ऑफ इंडिया राइट नाउ. तो इट्स द Mark II, it's the latest one and it's the Recon model also. So pretty sick actually if you ask me. It feels like a cycle, but what I've heard it's very powerful also. 40 odd bhp and it's light also. Not sure on the weight, I'll put it somewhere in the screen, but yeah, I've heard it's light and it feels light actually. So it has 3 riding modes. So right now we are in the lowest power setting, that's a glide mode, and it has different levels of regen also. Okay. Okay, now this is what EV speeds are, huh? Nice. Okay, so we switch the mode to ballistic. That's the highest power mode. And this is mental. The torque is so instant. You'll feel the power below you. So that's our co-rider. So he will be there to guide us. Okay. And twist the throttle and it's going in 70 and you won't even realize, because there's no engine, so there's no vibrations, none vibrations, and there's no clutch switch, no gear levers, nothing. So it's too fun. So it shows the real-time range also. 138 kilometers is the range, average speed, the current speed, the mode that we are in, everything. And then just launch it. Oh, nice. The power is mental, man, mental. It will just push you forward. Just like that, you are at 100. But you cannot actually do 100 here. There's a lot of traffic, but still, it's too much fun. And what I've heard is they've reduced the price also. Price कम कर दिया है उन्होंने to attract more buyers, and that's a good move I believe. So 3.5 से start होता है अभी प्राइस. Okay, I think इतना ही चलाने देंगे वो लोग. मुझे पीपल सेड, आदित्य सेड की थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है, बट मुझे इतना ज़्यादा दिक्कत हुआ नहीं. You like the power actually. It's too nice. कॉम्बैट में लग के देख लेते हैं. सॉरी, ग्लाइड द नेक्स्ट मोड कॉम्बैट. या कॉम्बैट में रख के देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. आई डिडंट चेंज द रीजन मोड्स ऑल्सो. सो but the suspension is also good. I've been a KTM owner before my Aprilia, so I know what hard suspension is. I used to have a Duke 390, so it had a very stiff suspension, and this is actually better than that. But that may be also because of the weight. This is quite heavy when you compare to Duke, so it's heavier than that. So maybe because of that the weight is being balanced a little bit better, and you don't feel all the bumps. But overall it's too fun, it's too much fun. This is how it looks.
This round is with the ladies. So we have 3 participants. It's Chitra, Jennifer, and 3 participants. And we are one. Goes to the ladies. Alright. It's all about the song. Are you ready? Time starts it. 3.
भाई इवेंट तो चल रहा है लेकिन we were too exhausted because of the heat. So एक लकी ड्रॉ हुआ. I won a top box. I didn't know what to do, so I sold it off. I sold it at a very high discount, but still the people whom I sold to, they were good people, so no worries. ओके तो वीडियो को करते हैं यहीं पे ख़त्म, घर पहुंचने वाले हैं एज़ यूजुअल. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन डू ड्रॉप अ लाइक एंड कमेंट, एंड अगर कंटेंट ऐसे अच्छे लग रहे हैं देन डू प्लीज़ कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल. तो मिलते हैं इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन बाय बाय.